Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on DreamComeTrue AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in dreamcometrue.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official DreamComeTrue website. Now from this page, click on the Join Now button at the center or the top right corner and you will end up in the login portal. Now you can directly change your password from this page by clicking on the Forgot Your Password button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked to enter your email address. Simply go ahead and type in the email address that you used to sign up and create your account on DreamComeTrue AI, and then click on Reset Password. Once you click on this link, you will receive an email within your email address which will contain a link that you can click on to reset your password. So go ahead and check your inbox and click on the link given within the email that you received from DreamComeTrue AI. And immediately after you click on this button, you will be allowed to create a new password. Go ahead and set up your new password and continue forward. And after this point, you can simply use your new password along with your username to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on DreamComeTrue AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.